welcome back to my garden. I'm very excited about today's video because we have so much that we're going to get done. We're going to refresh the area, we're going to plant up some containers, but first we're going to harvest some strawberries. Let's get to it. Alright, so here's our first container with strawberries in it. Let's go in and see what strawberries we have. I already see some strawberries right here, but let's go in and see how many more we can find.
Money.
Containers that we're going to plant up, but before we do that, I want to go in and I want to level up these two pedestals. So the one on the right looks great, but the one on the left is leaning a little bit. So let's go in. Let me actually show you guys from a different angle what I'm talking about, and you can kind of see that it's leaning. Alright, so if you see that container right there, you see how it's kind of like leaning to the side? That's what we want to go in and fix. So we're going to level that up and then we're going to start planting. Now that we got that done, let's run in and check on the strawberries really quick. Let's go ahead and finish planting up the other two containers. Doesn't this look so much better? So we went in, we removed the old pillows. I like the colors. I like the colors, the way that they go together. They're very calm. They're not demanding in this area because we have quite a bit of color going on. So what I did was I came in with classic tan and navy blue and white. You cannot go wrong when you use classic colors. So I used that, and then if we get in and we look at our containers here, so we have some beautiful plants in these containers. Come on, you guys, you know how I do it. Come on in, let's get close up. Let's look at these plants, let's dissect them, because I try to always do containers that are different. I try to think outside of the box, and most importantly, I try to let my own personality shine through with my containers. So let's get in and look at it, because baby, I love container gardening. Container gardening is my jam. So you guys, let's get on in here. Let's look at this container. So you guys may be thinking that I went mad because I used the fern and I put it into full sun. But this fern is made for the sun, hence the name Sun Queen. So I love the texture, I love the variation, and to give everything a cohesive look, the colors fit in this area. You can see the flow of this area. Now for this container right here, I kept it very simple. I went in and I used just one plant. That's all it needed. The container has a lot of detail, so it really doesn't need much up top competing with the understory. So we let the container, the pot itself, actually take the lead and tell the story in this area. It's so beautiful and it draws you in. So I went in and I also switched out to a bigger table. Now I love my little table in this area, but in order to have your good girlfriends over and to kiki and ha and just have a really good time and enjoy one another, honey, you need some space on the table. So what I did was I went ahead and I popped it out, and then I put in this beautiful table here. Now this table is distressed. We'll get in, we'll look at it, and I'm thinking that everything went along well. Really enjoyed taking you guys along with me as I went in and I harvested some strawberries from my garden. Yes, you guys see a lot of flower content from me, but I also have vegetables in my garden and fruits in my garden as well. But that's for another day. But let me know what you guys think about the new color pattern in this section. I would love to hear from you gardeners what you guys think about what's going down with these containers. You guys are just always so encouraging in the comment section, and I really appreciate that. You guys, thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for hanging out with me. Let me know, gardeners, what you guys think about this entire area. I am going to go ahead and I'm going to link the recipe for the Strawberry Limeade. It is so delicious and good. So for a second, I want you guys to just close your eyes. You come to visit me in my garden, and you know I'm going to greet you with a great big welcome. Welcome, 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 welcome to my garden. We're going to have a little tour. I'm going to show you guys. Of course, I'm going to have to sit you in the newly planted up area. I'm going to have to sit you in the area where we just went in and we just redid everything. We changed out the cushions so you can see what's going on, and then if it leads out to a tour around the rest of the garden, that's fine as well too. We sit down and it's hot and we refresh ourselves with some delicious strawberry limeade. See that your glass is already garnished with the lime and a strawberry, and it just lets you know that I went the extra mile to let you know that you are certainly welcome in my garden. I'm going to link that recipe down in the description box, as well as the plants, their zones, how tall they get. You know how I do it. Let me know what you guys think about this video. I love to hear from you. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.